Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to day 3 of the Toy Olympics, where we have Olympic curling. We will have 5 groups of 2. We have PJ Masks, we have Spidey and his amazing friends, we have the Paw Patrol, Hot Wheel Monster Trucks, and the Monster Jam Monster Trucks, who will take home the gold medal in the Toy Olympics curling event. Are you ready, Dino?
Yeah.
We will see. Let's go. Our first team representing Spidey and his amazing friends are Spidey and Black Panther. Representing Team 2 and the Hot Wheel Monster Trucks, we have 5 Alarm and Demo Derby. Representing Team 3 and the Monster Jam team, we have El Toro Loco and Octinator. Representing the Paw Patrol, we have Sky and her helicopter, and a special guest from the Cat Pack, Leo. And Team 5, from PJ Masks, we have Gecko and Catboy. Are we ready, Dean?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. Our athletes will get 20 points for hitting the center white circle, 15 points for hitting the red, 10 points for hitting the outer white circle, and 5 points for hitting the blue. Whoever are their teams with the most points will go home with the bronze, silver, and gold medals. All right, Spidey and friends, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, Black Panther, you ready?
Yeah.
Go! Oh, so close. Okay, let's see if Spidey can do any better. Ready to launch?
Yeah.
Ready? Get set. Go! Oh, Spidey! He will get 3 points for crossing the line. So 3 points for Team Spidey. Okay, we have our Hot Wheel Monster Trucks up next. Dino, who are you launching first? Demo Derby. All right, are you ready, Demo Derby?
Yeah.
All right, launch him. Oh, so close. All right, 5 Alarm, are you ready? All right, let's launch him. Oh, so close. What a tough break for Team Hot Wheels. All right, next up we have El Toro Loco from Team Monster Jam. All right, let's give him a launch. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and he made it. Oh, 3 points. All right, up next is Octinator for Team Monster Jam. Go! Oh, and he made it on the wider circle. That's 10 points. Points for Team Monster Jam. Yeah. All right, Team 4 is Paw Patrol. Who do we have first, Dean? Sky. She's ready to fly. All right, Sky, let's do this. Oh, yay! 3 points for Sky. Way to go. All right, Dean, who is our second player on Team Paw Patrol? Leo and Rory's car. Wow, let's see what she can do. Ready, set, go! Oh, she's on the plus 3 is 8. So 8 points for Team Paw Patrol. Not bad. All right, and our final team from PJ Masks. We have Gecko and Catboy. You ready, Gecko?
Yeah.
All right, ready, set, launch! Whoa! Gecko landed in the red! That is 15 points! All right, last but not least, Catboy from Team PJ Mask. Are you ready, Catboy? All right, go! Oh, he did it! 3 more points for Team PJ Mask. That gives them 18 points, and they are our gold medal winners. Let's go ahead and give some medals out to our great Toy Olympians. And presenting our 3rd place team with the bronze medal, Sky and Leo from Team Paw Patrol. Congratulations, Team Paw Patrol. And our 2nd place team and winner of the silver medals, we have El Toro Loco and Octinator from Team Monster Jam. Congratulations, El Toro Loco and Octinator and Team Monster Jam on your 2nd place silver medal win. And your 1st place team and the winner of the gold medals for the Toy Olympics Curling Championship from Team PJ Masks, you have Catboy and Gecko. Congratulations on your gold medals. And congratulations to all of our winners.
We go, friends.
Way to go.